Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Namunder Mauludi, NPM 2316019. Here I will explain the final assignment that I have made. Implementasi RFID untuk identifikasi kambing berbasis aplikasi web. Oke, di sini here I will explain several content list, uh, which consists of introduction, research question, research purpose, theoretical framework, research stage, and conclusion. All right. The first introduction. RFID is used to identify livestock by scanning the AirTag in the ear, allowing for farmer to access complete livestock data. Apart from that, RFID make it easier to record data and make decisions. Apart from that, RFID make it easier to record data and makes the decisions in program to increase the quality and number of livestock. RFID is integrated with Android and web application for the recording process. The problem of manual data collection make it difficult for farmers. So the RFID system is expected to make uh, to make it easier to collect data on livestock development and health. RFID is also used for user authentication via an RFID reader. David Adamson's research showed that a cattle herd recording system using Android and Bluetooth increased the efficiency of data transmission. This research development and application that recording livestock had using ultrasonic sensors and Bluetooth, while the author uses Wi-Fi communication for access via smartphone. And the second is a research question. Number one, how effective is RFID technology in identifying God accurately and efficiently? Number two, how can integration between an RFID system and a web application improve overall God management and monitoring? Last, number three, how is RFID for God identification and how to overcome it? Okay, the second the research purposes. Okay, the objective of the research are number one, question number one, develop a prototype system for recording livestock head using the Android mobile platform using Bluetooth communication as a substitute for serial communication RS 2.0.2 with the aim of increasing efficiency in data transmission. And question number two, uh, improving the limitation found in previous research regarding ease of interface with user by developing a system that is easier to access and using an Android-based smartphone. And three, create create an application for recording the head of livestock that can be accessed using an Android-based smartphone and save the data into a database that is communication via Bluetooth, thus enabling farmers to record more accurately and efficiently. Okay, this is the theoretical framework. The research framework aims to implement RFID technology in a God identification system that integrated with a web application. The research, the research began by identifying efficiency, literature study, and requirement analysis were carried out to design hardware RFID, a reader and text, and software, a web application, and database. Implementation involves hardware and software development followed by system testing to ensure functionality. Evaluation of the system success is carried out to access to assess improvement in efficiency and accuracy, with the analysis result providing conclusion and recommendation for further development. The research state. The research use several data collection method the support implementation of RFID based code identification system integrated with web application. And point number one, literature study uh, defined objective collect information about RFID technology, web application, and livestock identification method. The next, the data research, scientific journals, books, and online article. Number two, point number two, field observation. The objective observe the condition and identification need of God on the farm. Data search, visit to farm, observation of the identification process, and interview with breeders. Number three, interview. Objective, collect information from breeder regarding problem and needs for an identification system. And point number three, next respondent, farmer, livestock manager, and RFID technology experts. And the conclusion is number one, implementation on RFID technology increase efficiency and accuracy in livestock. Identification and management increasing the productivity of beef gut involves maintenance management by recording data and implementing RFID technology. This research of development prospects through breeding and selection program. Number four, it is hope that RFID technology can be expanded for gut identification. Number five, MSMES play a key role in the livestock sector, making a significant contribution to the dynamic and sustainability of the livestock industry in Indonesia. All right. Uh, That's all for my presentation and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.